Welcome to Showbiz News. Kung interesado ka sa ganitong balita, huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po.
Sulong-sulong ng impeachment na yan. Hindi ba si Speaker Martin Romualdez? It was Congress that made this possible. Now that Inday is forced to choose candidates who are the strongest and more likely to be able to protect her because of the trial that the Senate is going to conduct, you have no other person to blame except those people na nagsulong ng impeachment. Sabi ni Ma'am Marie, ang tanong, sino po ba ang gusto ninyong susunod na presidente? Kung si VP Sara, why can't we trust and support her decision? Wala si Tatay Digong ngayon kasi VP Sara ang leader natin. Wow! Sabi ni Ma'am Katrina, sinisisi nila si Inday kaya daw nakulong si Tatay Digong ngayon. Talaga, you're going to tell a daughter that? Yikes! Fear Not says, sorry, I apologize for the yawn. It's really late and I had some place to be. So, sabi ni Fear Not, VP's endorsement of Camille and Aimee means that the Allianza ship is sinking. We should add Pia. This is a tactical move as opposed to an emotional one. Aimee is the kryptonite of BBM Lab and Tamba. I agree with almost everything, I think. Except that we should add Pia. Walang ginawa si Pia para to support that. Si Alan Peter ang nagsasalita. Patingin daw ng green bracelet. So I'm trying to wear green every day at least, di ba? Pero meron pa rin tayong Green Fridays. So Ma'am Sarah Jane kasi asked to see the bracelets. Nakikita niyo po ba? Kasi naaano ng green screen Ayan. Oh, can you see it? Sabi ni Pab, if Aimee is concerned sa bansa, she will make moves to step down. Her brother naman, ayusin niyo naman yung pronouns. Because ang nakikinabang lang sa power is Lisa and Tambi, then she's not doing full blast. Yeah, her intention, Marcos still in power. No, I disagree. Kasi if she really wanted to, the power and all that, di nakipag-chuwariwak na siya kay BBM. After all, siya yung ate. Kaya nga niyang utusan yan dati, pero na-etsipwera siya. Bakit? Because increasingly, even ever since inauguration pa, and hindi mo masasabing wala akong alam dyan because I was at inauguration. When VP Inday left, sila ni Aimee ang magkasama. So, and si Aimee, etsipwera yan. In fact, I remember this correctly. It was fairly public. Was that originally, Aimee was going to have a bigger role in government. And if she had a bigger role in the executive, hindi yan naabot sa puntong ganito. She would have defended the Dutertes kasi siya nga yung responsible for, one of the people responsible for brokering the deal. Remember that the person who really sealed the deal was GMA, not Aimee. Ngayon, minalakihan ninyo yung papel niya. Pero ito yung sinasabi nyo, what has she done? She conducted the Senate hearing. Di yan enough? She has been critical in many instances. If she wanted to just enjoy the power, she could very well have done so. But she does not have any power. She does not enjoy any power. And she continues to advocate for the Dutertes. Huwag mo sasabihin sa akin na wala siyang ginagawa or not going full blast. Ibang usapan yung kapatid na nga yan ng kinontra niya. Ang laki ng demands ninyo over something that I'm pretty sure you will not be able to do were you in her shoes. Sabi ni Eliana, yes, bakit pinipilit ang narrative na sinisira si Amy? The dots are connecting. I trust you, Joey Sass, and other DDS vloggers. At the end of the day, I will follow BBISD. Kasi nga, matagal ko nang nakikita. Wala pa akong nakikitang dahilan para masira si Amy. Ang dami nang lumalabas na pinupush talaga yung kasidaan niya. Saan ang gagaling to? Sabi ni Ma'am Ann, I understand even Robin Padilla raised Amy's hand as well. Iba po si Amy, hindi po, that's the wrong sister. Won't that cement even PDP and PDP will receive her as hindi po. Robin says that his endorsement is personal and not on behalf of PDP. Sabi ni Nim, kaya pala double agent ka kasi co-host ka daw noon sa DWIZ ni Sen Aimee. Ayun pala yung reason nila, pang marites yung galawan. Diba? Any shallower than that and malulunod sila sa platito ng tubig. Sabi ni Kuya Gado, huwag kalimutan tanging si Aimee ang nag-endorso kay Tatay Digong noong 2016. One of the first, actually. Sabi ni Francis, grabe ang talino. Sabi niya, how plastic, madaming nagsasabi, magtawag lang si VP Inday, lalabas lahat ng tao. Huh? Pero expressing her support for Aimee, big deal? Let's grow up. Mas real talk ka pala, sir. Sabi ni Wanda man, one thing for sure, hindi na corrupt ni BBM and company si Senadora Aimee. Manong-manang, bakit masyado kayong invested na fina-flood mo yung aking newsfeed? Mababan kayo niyan. Walang naniniwala sa argumento ninyo if that is even an argument. Ulitin ko, manong-manang, tinanong ko, bakit natin iboboto si Kerubin? Pero ang sinasabi mo lang, si Aimee lang ang sinisiraan mo. Wala ka man lang suporta para sa mga ini-endorso ninyo? Sasabihin ni Manong-Manang, vote who you want, but please Duterte and solid. Yun nga yung sinasabi namin kanina. May Duterte, pero pwede kang magdagdag ng dalawa. So anong kinagagalit ninyo? Sabi ni Gwen, ang dami kasing emotional dito, imbis maging strategic. Pag yung gamitin emotion mo, let's be strategic, numbers game ito, let's support VP, I will vote for Aimee kahit ayaw ko sa kanya. Ay sus, aminin nyo na lang ma'am na hindi kayo buboto kay Aimee and that's alright. If you don't like her, it's alright. Karapatan nyo po na hindi bumoto si Aimee. But this logic doesn't follow. Sabi niya, pag napakulong niya si Torre at si Martin, paano naman niya gagawin yun? Aber, unang-una hindi siya hukuman. Pangalawa, yung kay Torre, siya na nga yung nakakuha ng ebidensya, pero hindi pa ma-file ang kaso until the Supreme Court resolves the habeas corpus case. And by the time they do, tapos na po ang eleksyon. Kaya ma'am, time-bound ito. Okay? Diba? Ang botohan po, May 12. Hindi imposibleng mapakulong si Torre at si Martin no matter how much evidence she has. Kahit gabundok ang ebidensya niyan, Dadaan pa yan sa proseso and it's not going to happen before elections. So, wag niyo na lang sabihin na ganyan, na believe ka sana kung ganito gagawin niya. Wala kayong believe, that's acceptable, okay lang. But don't use this as an argument because it doesn't hold any water. We all know how long that's going to take and what you're asking for is impossible. Sabi ni Pub, you're saying blood is thicker than water. What more if nanay at daughter? Mas malakas ang promising between Imelda at sa dalawang anak. She can say protect each other. Do you know how old Imelda Marcos is? Barely coherent, over 90. And I'm not saying that blood is thicker than water. You're the one who's saying that. Okay? What I'm saying is the blood of the covenant is thicker or stronger than the water of the womb. Mas malakas nga po ang ang samahan ng pagkakaibigan or pagsasamahan kaysa sa pagkakapatiran. Yan. Can you send yung link dito sa kay Aaron? Sabi ni Skylights, alalahanin ninyo, meron Cain at Abel. So dito to ang blood is thicker than water. Kasi walang dyan eh. Yung app na ganito. Andito siya eh. So we can copy it here. I don't know how you're going to copy it and send it. But if you can. Yan. I can take a picture. Okay. Aaron will send you the link. Sorry, Vium. I don't think so. I'm not gonna do that. Sabi niya, I think we need to look for other presidentiables. Ma'am, okay lang naman kung ayaw ninyo kay Inday. Pero don't say we. Kasi hindi tayo magkasama dyan pagka naghanap kayo ng iba. As long as Inday is on the table, meaning she's willing to run, then it will be Inday for me and that's it. So ganito, I would like to share to you something I know about PRD. He is the consummate politician. May mga tao sa gabinete niya that I never understood why he kept them there and why he didn't remove them when the public was clamoring for their removal. It wasn't just loyalty. It was politics. And even now, when I would, when in the rare occasions, ilang beses lang naman, but minsan kasama ko siya and he would meet with other people. Pero nakikita ko yung language na ginagamit niya. Iba yung language na personal, na private. Iba yung language when he's talking to other politicians, when he's talking about this and that. May pagkakaiba. And sometimes he will say two different things because uunahin niya yung politics. Now, marami sa atin, hindi pa tayo ready for those kinds of politics. Like what is happening now, diba? Nagagalit kayo sa choice ni Inday. Pero utilitarian to eh. If you don't like Amy, isipin nyo na lang, ginagamit siya ni Inday. Utilitarian, meaning she might prove useful. Something wrong with my collar. Bakit ganyan? Mas mataas yung isa. Sabi ni Kido, di totoo ang bloody sticker. Wala ngang masabi si BBM na iniinsulto na atin niya ng mga underlings niya. Oo nga. Pwede po ba ipadisbar yung PCO na nagsasabi na justice system in the Philippines is kind of questionable? I suppose you can file a case for disciplinary action against her. Yes, you can. You may. Because medyo contemptuous yon towards the judiciary, kung ganon. Sabi ni Ma'am Hilda, galit man ako sa Marcos dahil sa nangyayari kay FPRD, but I feel the need to vote for Aimee for VP. Sabi ni Skylight, kung sinasabi nyo na ginamit o binudol si Inday ng mga Marcos, di ba pwedeng siya naman ang gumamit sa mga Marcos? Sabi ni Manong, Jesus ko din. Grabe naman kayo kay Senate President. Hindi naman ako tutol. Pero he's more kilay. Sabi ni Faith, in one way, maging useful si Aimee kay Inday. Yung boto niya against impeachment. Sabi ni Floren, I answered this already. What if binoto ni si Aimee ng mga Duterte supporters? Pero by doing that, some of the Duterte and senatorial candidates don't make the top 12. Floren, have you seen the survey results? Not all of them are in the top 12. In fact, only 2 are in the top 12. Mag-isip na tayo. Ganun ang ginagawa ni VP Inday. Nag-iisip siya. Not all of them. Alam na natin yan. Hindi lahat yan. Kahit mag-solid lahat tayo, and I still encourage everybody mag-solid Duterte. Let's face facts. May malaki talaga ang likelihood that they will not get in. But, dahil malayo yung iba dyan nasa national awareness ng 11% lang. But, if we don't vote for it, if you insist on voting Duterte pa rin, may chance na makapasok yung mga dilaw. Kiko and Bam.
Basta mo kayo na-send na.
Okay, Aaron, na-send na yung link. Sabi ni Huyu, I'm sorry but I really find your name cute. Anyway, problema ngayon, sabi niya, nakafocus tayo kay Aimee Marcos na harangan, pero mga dilawan, hinahayaan. Ano ba talaga? Okay sa inyo si Bam Aquino, Kiko Pangilinan. Alam niyo na resulta ng impeachment. Sabi ni Ma'am Gracie, that is a better way po on explaining. Tama yan. And convincing us. Pero yung pagalitan kami on our concerns, pinagalitan ko kayo. We are hurt kasi meron kaming batayan. I apologize if pinagalitan ko kayo, although I am not aware I ever did that. Sabi ni Jackson, sobrang agree po kami. Kailan po ba matatauhan si user cast? So sabi niyo siya para back out. So bakit ko naman gagawin yan? Are you not entertained? Mas firm at mas loyal kay Tatay Digong. Sino pang mas firm at mas loyal kay Tatay Digong kaysa anak niya? Sabi ni Albert, would you consider voting for Mayor Benji Magalong should he run as president in 2020? Only if VP Inday is not running. But yeah, he would be my second choice. Kung walang VP Inday, yeah. Ito, yung tungkol dun sa nagsabi kanina na hurt, sandali, hinahanap ko. Manang-manang, agree naman ako dyan. Hinahanap ko yung binasa ko eh. Yung sabi ni ma'am na, yung pagalitan daw sila, na-hurt sila and all that. Ma'am, ganito yan ha. Politics isn't a dinner party. A revolution isn't a dinner party. Parang, I don't understand this hurt na ano pagka nagbardagulan discussions. So, pero pakisabi naman kung ako yung sinasabihan ninyong pinagalitan kayo. Kasi kailan ko naman ginawa yan? Kung sa tingin ninyo pinapagalitan ko kayo, understand this. Hindi ko kayo mga anak para pagalitan. Pero nag-argue ako. Kung hindi po kayo sanay dun sa tono ng boses ko, pasensya po. Pero sana, intay-intayin ninyo na mas kilala nyo ako bago nyo ako sabihan na pinagagalitan ko kayo. At saka, with that incomplete statement, leaving it wide open for me to interpret your statement, parang, ba, ano yan? You want to spread the hurt around. Is that it? Sabi ni Libra, folks, walang personal.